General, I am Lieutenant Eva. I will serve as your comm officer for our campaign against the Global Liberation Army. We know the GLA have access to lethal biological weapons, and we have tracked these weapons to Baghdad. Our troops are assembled outside the city and await your orders, sir.
Cab on station. Skies are clear. Radar lock! Break! Break! I'm hit! Hawks down. Anybody see a shoot?
Negative. No shoot.
Echo Company, engage.
Roger. Targets acquired. Enemy in perimeter. Range 200. All units, stand by. Fire at will.
I'm hit! Let's finish them off!
Off the left!
Bravo down! We got
Reload!
warriors!
Reload!
Help over here! Fire!
We have 11 confirmed. All units, search and destroy. More contacts. Range 300.
Fast movers inbound! Line them up!
Enemy perimeter breached. General, we must capture Baghdad and eliminate all GLA forces.
On your command. Crusader tank responding. Humvee here. Got room for 5. Humvee here. Breaking loose! Heavy armor ready for action.
Intel says bioweapons are in the area. Be prepared to pull back from the city at the first sign of contamination.
Taking new ground. How about a show of force? Moving in.
Got my missile launcher right here. Got my missile launcher right here. Got my missile launcher right here.
Armor detail reporting.
Got my missile launcher right here. Got my missile launcher right here.
I want
my
to blow
missile
something
launcher
up.
right here.
Here comes trouble. Let me launch one. Huh?
Got my missile launcher right
I'll
here.
fire at anything.
Got my missile launcher
On
right
the trail.
here.
Let me launch one. Huh?
Got my missile launcher
Here
right
comes
here.
trouble. I'll fire at anything. Let's pop some tanks.
Preserving freedom. Protecting our people. Preserving freedom. Is there a threat? Preserving freedom. Doing what's right. Preserving freedom. Paladin tank in the field. Preserving freedom. Protecting our people. Preserving freedom. Is there a threat? Preserving freedom. Keep it clean. Preserving freedom. Paladin tank in the field. Preserving freedom. Keep it clean.
Crusader tank responding. Proceeding to target zone. Anywhere you say, sir. Moving in.
Rocket launch detected. All units, pull back. Watch those clouds, men. Could be anthrax.
General, Washington orders us to enter the mountains and destroy the enemy Scud Storm.
Heavy armor ready for action. Anywhere you say, sir. Clearing terrain.
Civilian buildings are occupied by enemy troops. Assault teams enter those buildings from above and fill them
Pull
out.
back and wait for cover. All units, pull back.
Moving in.
Units lost.
Rangers, enter from the roof, sweep and clear.
Taking new ground. Proceeding to target zone.
We have cleared the palace. All units, continue the advance.
Anywhere you say, sir.
Garrison buildings up ahead. Call in the Chinook.
Clearing terrain. Moving in.
Mountain perimeter breach. Enemy
Proceeding to
closing.
target zone.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Clearing terrain. Proceeding to target zone. Anywhere you
Enemy
say,
tanks
sir.
have the high ground. Request air support.
Roger. Big Bird on the way.
Proceeding to target zone.
Unit lost.
Echo Company, bomber inbound. You're too close. Pull back.
Anywhere you say, sir. Proceeding to target zone. Taking new ground. Anywhere you say, sir. Moving in. Clearing terrain. This'll wake them up.
Unit lost.
Delivering ordnance. In my field of fire. Light them up.
We're out of supplies over here.
Scud destroyed. Baghdad secure. Congratulations, General.